Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we will be talking about Uniswap. That is right, we're talking about Uniswap. Robinhood actually launched Uniswap on the exchange today. Uniswap is one of the largest DeFi plays in the whole existence of the crypto market. It is the number one dApp on Ethereum, guys. So very big project. It's something you don't want to miss out on. We'll talk a little bit about it, what it does, and why it surged so much here in the last few days. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's take a peek at these charts. So looking at the crypto market cap for the day, right now, Bitcoin is up, and it's back above 20,000. It's up like almost 1% here. In the last 24 hours, almost 2%. Ethereum's up as well. And if you scroll on down, you will see here that the markets are pretty stagnant. Now, Uniswap is the outlier here. In the last 7 days, it's up 24%. It surged 17% on the news that Uniswap's native token surged 17% on the Robinhood listing. So they launched on Robinhood, and all of a sudden it popped off. Robinhood is doing something really unique, guys, where they're listing tokens like 1 or 3 tokens at a time. And every time they do this, it's a huge surge in the price for these tokens. So hypothetically, if you can anticipate what token they're going to list next, you're guaranteed a pump. Now, typically they dump right afterwards, but this was a huge pump. And as you can see here, they talk a little bit in this publication that when they listed Matic, Sol, and Compound, they launched and they exploded up, and in late June they also listed Chainlink and they popped. Now right now we're in a bear market, so these surges aren't going to take them to all-time highs. In fact, everything's going to come kind of right back down. But if you're holding Uniswap, you might be pretty happy right now. And Robinhood is going to be launching more tokens in the future, so we'll see what they end up bringing to the table for the users on the platform. Now, I talk a lot about Crypto.com and Cronos Chain because I love the DeFi projects. And I've showed you guys DeFi Llama before. And DeFi Llama is where you get an overview of all the different dApps in the entire crypto ecosystem. And you can kind of see from rank, down, what's the biggest. Maker is the biggest actually on Ethereum. And that's more of a lending and borrowing protocol. Aave is similar, but it's on multiple chains. You can see, so it's got a little more cross-chain action going on Aave. You can kind of see which chains it has. So Maker's only on Ethereum. And then if you look here, number 5 is Uniswap. And Uniswap isn't only on Ethereum. It's on Arbitrum, it's on Optimism, and it's on Celo, and Polygon as well. So Uniswap is one of the top dexes. Curve Finance is a little bit bigger. But Uniswap was kind of the OG. They had one of the most large historical airdrops in some of the larger cryptos. I was holding Uniswap for a while. I'm currently not holding any bags, but I'm looking to accumulate after kind of the news calms down for Robinhood and this listing, because you don't really want to buy it when it's pumping. That's just not how we do it. So right now my focus is getting Bitcoin, Ethereum, but I look at things like this and I go, okay, Uniswap, DeFi plays are getting added to Robinhood. What's the next DeFi play that could get added to Robinhood? What are DeFi projects that I like besides the Ethereum protocols and besides just the things like Uniswap, SushiSwap, PancakeSwap? You got to look at VVS Finance. You got to look at some of these other projects as well on the Cronos chain. These are some of the things that I think about. We are seeing, when you look at the chart here for, not Polygon, excuse me. When you look at the chart for Uniswap, it's been pretty okay, given that it's a bear market. I mean, it's doing the same thing as everything else. It went up and it came rushing back down. It was at a high of almost $50, and now it's to $5. So much smaller than it once was, just like other projects. The Bitcoin halving is coming up in 2 years, and so we are kind of riding the wave of kind of sideways action until something changes there. But when you do look at the Bitcoin price right now, guys, Bitcoin is due for a move. Could be up, could be down. Hodlers, get ready. Either way, if you're crashing, you're hodling. If it's rising, you're hodling. But maybe you're taking a little bit of profit. If it's crashing, you're buying the dip just a little bit more. A lot of people are getting paid tomorrow. It's a Friday. It is going to be the 15th of the month. So I'm getting paid. I'm looking forward to putting a little bit of my money into crypto. just continuing with the DCA plan. But if you're wondering why Uniswap pumped so hard today, it is because of the Robinhood listing. That's how it works. Same thing with Coinbase listings, Binance listings. When these coins get listed on exchanges, they pop off. That is one of the reasons. Shout out to the XRP army. If and when the SEC case with XRP goes bye-bye, and that gets listed on some of these exchanges, then that coin will pop again. It used to be on Robinhood. XRP used to be on Robinhood, and now it's not. And one day it may be again, and that would be an opportunity if you're holding some of those bags to make some really great profit if we're buying at these lows right now. So that's all I got for you in today's video. Uniswap is now listed on Robinhood along with others. It's exciting to see what they'll add next. You know, with the time where Celsius and some of these other exchanges like Voyager and Three Arrows Capital, which is a hedge fund, are struggling. Some other companies are chugging along just fine. Crypto.com, Robinhood, which is becoming increasingly a crypto company. So keep your eyes open, keep your ears open, and keep on researching these cryptos, guys, because it's a very exciting time to buy. We are in the dip, and this is the time to collect those coins. That's all I got. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, you got to remember to DCA, hodl, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.